Hello students. So now today we will study the remaining questions of the multiple choice question of self practice 3. Okay, multiple choice question of self practice 3. So from question number 8 onwards we will study today. See the question number 8. So the question number 8 is what number should be added to? What number should be added to minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get minus 2. So added to what number must be added to? So we are not knowing what number that is. Suppose that number is x. Let the number be x. So x plus. So we are going to add this number x to minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get what you are going to get minus 2. Okay. So the question is what number should be added to this? What number should be added to this to get minus 2? So what we thought, we suppose here let that number be x. So we need to find this number. So if you want to find this number, so this we have to transpose to the right hand side, subtract to the right hand side. Now see, plus minus, this will be the minus. Plus minus, minus. So this minus, when this minus will be transferred to the right hand side, we will get the positive of this number. Negative will be converted into positive. So see how we open this bracket. Now this plus minus minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equals to minus 2. So in the next step what we do? In the next step we transport this to the right hand side. So what will be? X is equals to, see this will become plus, that is the minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay, now we got this number. Now we take LCM of this 2, 3, 5. So what you will get the LCM of 2, 3, 5? I will calculate. So the LCM of this 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, the 6, 5, 30. You will get 30. Okay. Now the next step, x is equals to minus 2 plus, in bracket see, we will have taken its LCM 30. So what you multiply to get 30? 15. So multiply with 1. So 150. 1 into 15. Now plus. What you multiply 3 to get 30? 3 10 is 30. So multiply 10 to the 1 also. That is 1 into 10. What you multiply 5 to get 30? 6. What you multiply 5 to get 30? 6. So multiply the numerator also with 6. So 1 into 6. That is equals to. Okay. Now see this, what we got? X equals to minus 2 in bracket. The denominator is 30. Add all the numerators. 115 is 15 plus 110 is 10 plus 16 is 6. So after adding what you get? Add all the numerators. So after adding, see what is going to get. After adding, x is equals to minus 2 plus 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 6, 31. 31 by 30. 31 by 30. Minus 2 plus 31 by 30. Now you can take this LCM how you do. So this now again you take the LCM. LCM of this minus 2 can written is minus 2 by 1. Now LCM of 130 is 30. So what you multiply in 1 to get 30, 30. So multiply to the numerator also, and 31 by 30. Okay. Now here what we got, x equals to 230 is 60, that is minus 60 plus 31 minus 60 by 30, minus 60 by 30 and plus 31 by 30. Now see, both are like fraction. You can take the denominator common and we add the numerators. So after that, see what we are going to get. Now see, x equals to, take the denominator common 30. Now add the numerator, minus 60 plus 31. So you are going to get the result. Minus 60 plus 31 gives you what? 29. Minus 29. Negative is big. So minus 29 by 30. Minus 29 by 30. Now see the option which is matching. Option is B. 8th B. Minus 29 by 30. So that is the option B. 8B is the correct. Minus 29 by 30. Okay. Like this we solve. So next question number 9. We move to the next question 9. Question number 9. The reciprocal of minus 3 by 8. Absolute value of minus 3 by 8. So we have to find the reciprocal. Of absolute value of minus 3 by 8. This is called absolute value, modulus. So what is the property of this absolute value? This absolute value always returns when you remove this absolute value, this bar. So this negative will be converted to positive. Means either you put here positive number or you can put the negative number. Whatever the number be inside, whether it is positive or negative. But when you remove this bar, absolute value, you will get the positive number. So the reciprocal of minus 3 by 8. So what will be this? First of all, reciprocal means 1 upon absolute value of minus 3 by 8. Now, so when you remove this absolute value, you will get 3 by 8. Now it will become positive. Absolute value makes the number, whatever the number inside the absolute value, it makes a positive. It makes it positive. Whether it is negative, then also it will be positive. Whether it is positive, then also you are going to get the positive answer. So now 1 by 3 by 8 is equals to 1 upon 3 by 8 is equals to 1 multiply 8 by 3. Now this is the reciprocal is 8 by 3. In the mixed fraction, you can write infinity to the 6, 2 remainder, 2 by 3. Now see the option which is matching in this. Which option is matching? So, which option is matching? Okay. Now, the option is here minus 8 by 3. But we are getting 8 by 3. Okay. The option is A minus 8 by 3, B minus of 8 minus 3, C minus of minus 3 by 8, and D 8 by 3. So D. So the option D is matching. D. 9th D is the correct answer, 8 by 3. Now see the question number 10. Question number 10. See the question number 10. The reciprocal of 3 by 11 into 5 by 6. So that number's reciprocal we have to find. So first of all we evaluate it, then after that we will find its reciprocal. So 3 by 11 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. 3 by 11 into 5 by 6 minus 9 by 22 minus 9 by 22 divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. So this number reciprocal we have to find. So it's a reciprocal. How we can write it reciprocal? Put entire thing in the square bracket. Reciprocal also can be written as inverse minus 1. Reciprocal can also be written as inverse to the power minus 1. By a small example you can understand. See, 1 by x, that is the reciprocal of x. 1 by x can also be written as x to the power minus 1. X inverse. In this form also we can write 1 by x can also be written as x to the power minus 1. That is called the inverse of x. That is the reciprocal. So entire bracket term, whatever the value will come, that inverse I have to find. So first I will solve this. Whenever after solving, if I am getting any value like 1 by x or I am getting any value like x, so I will write as x inverse equals to 1 by x. That will be the reciprocal. Okay. So after solving, suppose I got x, so that x inverse can be written as 1 by x. So only that purpose I have written minus 1 here. Okay. So don't get confused. This minus 1 means inverse. That is called the inverse. Inverse means reciprocal. So see here how you solve this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what you got in this 1 into 5. 1 into 5 upon 11 into 2. Here in this bracket I got. Now after this here you see 9 by 22. Convert this divide into multiply. So this fraction will be the reciprocal 4 by 3. So whenever we convert the division into multiplication, so the fraction after the division will be turned into the reciprocal. We make it into the reciprocal. Okay, we inverse it. So again see here what we got. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Cancel. 2 11s are 22, 2 2s are 4. That is cancel. Now what you got in the next line? 1 5s are 5, 11 2s are 22. 5 by 22 here we got, and here 3 multiply 2 in the numerator place, and in the denominator place 11 multiply 1. This we written entire in this form. After this, now I am going to erase the upper part. See. So what we got here? That is 5 by 22 minus 5 by 22. Let it be the square bracket only. Minus 3 2s are 6 by 11 to the power minus 1. Now, how you can solve this? After that, you can take the LCM of the denominator 22 and 11. So LCM will get the 22 only. So here you got 5 by 22 minus 6 by 11. So what you multiply 11 you get 22? 2. So multiply to the numerator also. Okay. Now let me solve. Now here in the next line what we got? 5 by 22 minus 6 2s are 12 by 22 to the power minus 1. Next step, take the denominator common, 22. Now subtract the numerator, 5 minus 12 to the power minus 1. Next you see 5 minus 12 gives you minus 7. That is minus 7 by 22 to the power minus 1. Now we take this inverse of this number. So what we are going to get the inverse of this minus 7 by 22? That is minus 22 by 7. Minus 22 by 7. Now you can see the option. Option C is 22 by minus 7. That is the same thing. The minus is the numerator place or denominator place. Both place we can write. So the option C, 10th C is the correct answer. That is minus 22. That is 22 by minus 7. So minus 22 by 7 can also be written as 22 by minus 7. So the answer for this is 10th C. 10th C. Okay, correct. Now we move to the next question. Question number 11. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 0 by minus 8. 0 by minus 8. So 0 by minus 8. And its multiplicative inverse we have to find. So multiplicative inverse means multiplicative inverse of 3. What you are going to get? Multiplicative inverse of 3 is, that is 1 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of this. So after multiplying the multiplicative inverse, by what number you multiply 3 to get the product 1? That is called the multiplicative inverse. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 by 3. So when you multiply, you will get the product 1. So here also, multiplicative inverse of 0 by minus 8. 0 by minus 8. What will be the? Minus 8 by 0. If you divide this minus 8 by 0, you are going to get the, because we cannot divide any denominator by 0. So the division by 0 is not possible. So that quantity is called undefined. Undefined. So the division of any number by 0 is not defined. That is called undefined. So the multiplicative inverse of 0 by minus 8 is what? Here 0 by 8 minus 8, 8. None of this. None of this. 11. Answer is D. 11th answer is D. None of this. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. So in the next class we will discuss the other remaining questions of the multiple choice questions. So you practice at your home for the exam. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention.